Hello everybody. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to buy DIA. Okay, so I'm actually currently holding some DIA now, and it actually got listed on Binance today, which is now pumping the price up. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to buy it on KuCoin, because I've been using KuCoin quite a while now, and I absolutely love them. So the thing about KuCoin is this: they list the coins before anybody like else. So all the DeFi projects, and so they list coins before Binance. So when the coin hits KuCoin, you can buy it low, and like again, after it gets listed on Binance, the price will like blow up. Okay, so that's what I love about KuCoin. And so they list awesome coins. Okay, and I'm going to show you in this video how to buy DI. So DIA, I don't know how to say it, but DIA anyway. Okay, so to sign up on KuCoin, go to the description of this video and click there and sign up. It's really easy and simple, and like you can see, KuCoin has BTC pairing for DIA. Okay, which means that if you already hold some Bitcoin, you can deposit it here. All you have to do is go to assets, and you can see you can deposit, and just select BTC here. Okay, so that's how you deposit Bitcoin, and then you can trade that Bitcoin into DIA. Or if you don't own any Bitcoin currently, you can come on KuCoin and click buy crypto, go to third party, and here you can straight up buy Bitcoin with your credit card. Okay, so all you have to do is go here and select how much you want to buy, select the currency that you want to buy it with, and just purchase it. After the purchase is done, when you go to assets, your Bitcoin will show up here. Okay, so now you either deposited Bitcoin or you bought Bitcoin on KuCoin. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to explain how KuCoin works. So KuCoin has two different wallets: main wallet and trading wallet. And when your cryptocurrency is in your main wallet, that's when you can withdraw that cryptocurrency, but you can't trade it. Okay, and when your cryptocurrency is in your trading wallet, that's when you can trade your cryptocurrency, but you can't withdraw it. So to switch between these two wallets, all you have to do is click the cryptocurrency, then click transfer, and select how much you want to transfer. And like you can see, from main account to trading, and then just confirm. It's transferring is instant and free and simple. Okay, so you can switch between these two wallets. All you have to do is click the cryptocurrency and click transfer, and the same works vice versa. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to transfer that Bitcoin into your trading account. Okay, and to do that, all you have to do is click the Bitcoin, click transfer, select how much you want to transfer, and then click confirm, and then it will transfer instantly. And now you should have Bitcoin in your trading wallet. Okay, the next step is to go to market, search for DI, and click DI/BTC. Okay, after that click buy, and here's the trading desk. Here you can straight up buy DIA with your Bitcoin. Okay, so this is how it works. On the upper left corner where it says DIA/BTC, the one on the left, DIA, is the currency that you're buying, and the one on the right, it's where it says BTC, that is the currency that you're selling. So you're now selling your Bitcoins and trading that in the DIA. Okay, and to do that, all you have to do is check out the right side of my screen, and below you can see buy orders. So the green numbers, these are the people who are buying, and on top you can see red numbers. These are the people you are who are selling. Okay, so you are obviously buying DIA, so all you have to do is check out the red numbers here, because these are selling orders. You're selling, somebody is selling DIA, and you are now buying that DIA. Okay, so when you click the bottom one of the red numbers, that is the lowest that somebody is currently selling DIA, and when you click that, you will get the most bang for your buck. Okay, you will get most coins for your Bitcoin. Okay, so always click the bottom one. After that, all you have to do is select how much DIA you want to buy. You can either click DIA and type in the amount, or you can use these percents here. So when you go with 25%, that means that you're selling 25% of your Bitcoin and trading that into DIA. But if you want to just sell all of your Bitcoins and trade it into DIA, go with 100%. And after that, you have selected how much. So you have selected how much DIA you want to buy, and you have selected the price that you want to pay for that DIA by clicking the red number on the bottom one of the red numbers, and then selecting the amount how you want to buy here with these percents. Now just click buy DIA, and when the trade will execute and your DIA will show up like this in your wallet. Okay, now if you want to withdraw that DIA, all you have to do is go keep it in your main wallet and click withdraw and search for DIA. Okay, and when you click that, you can withdraw your DIA here. Okay, and if you want to keep trading that DIA, all you have to do is keep it in your trading wallet, so you can transfer it by clicking it on your main wallet and then click transfer, and you know, the same stuff. And if you have it in your trading wallet, then you can just trade it. Okay, so that is how it works, and that is how you buy DIA on KuCoin. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please leave a subscription. I would appreciate it a lot. It would mean literally world to me. And if you found this helpful, please leave a like, and that will also help me. And if you have any problems with this or anything crypto related problems, I'm here to help you. So just comment down below and I'm here to help you. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.